Good morning, guys. Praful here. Today is 6th of July, and today is a Tuesday, and the premiums keep just gradually going down. And intraday triangle is getting more and more less lucrative to play on the normal days, especially on Monday and Tuesday. Maybe Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday we can play. That is because Wednesday will be having like an accelerated theta decay, and Thursday, of course, it's the expiry, so most of the options will go to zero. And on Friday, we'll be having slightly better premiums to cope up with the movements. So that being said, like I've taken a 15,750 and a 15,950. That's a 200 points triangle, which is doing quite okay. We were down by close to 3 points, almost 10k negative chal raha tha, and I had to push my puts from 15,700 to 15,750. Considering the fact that the market has given some sort of a breakout from the yesterday's high. Yesterday's high ko pehle candle mein hi tod diya, and we were also stuck in some sort of an IV spike scenario. But now that has subsided, and currently we are looking at around half a point gain here. And another thing, I couldn't upload the video yesterday. That's because I got stuck in some other things. And yesterday क्या किया था? Yesterday I took a calendar spread, and उस calendar spread में मैंने एक leg को book किया है. It was a 34,700 and a 35,500 calendar spread. But as the market started heading higher, so I booked the 34,700 and shifted it to 34,800. So as the calendar spread itself, we are down by around 2 or 3k. That is because like I had booked around 9k yesterday, and now we are currently down by around 11k or something. So that's okay. That's okay. And our covered call is doing exceptionally well. We have already made close to more than 10k of profits in the covered call. So that's about it, guys. So that's about the yesterday's trade. मैंने कल इंट्राडे भी ट्रेड लिया था, but I exited within like 30 seconds. 30 seconds से जल्दी मैंने exit कर लिया because I was not feeling very comfortable with that kind of a premium. But I was wrong. Like I completely turned out to be wrong because कल almost 1% तक DK मिला. 1% बोले तो कितना? Almost 10 points DK मिला. I would have made around 25-30k, but I missed it. But because अगर मैं कल ट्रेड भी करता, I think I won't be able to capture all that theta decay because I'd be making a lot of mistakes because I was not at the right state of mind. So that's why, all that said and done, so we are currently up by around close to 1 point, not at 1 point, but close to 1 point. And on the Bank Nifty account, I made a small executional error जहाँ पे मैं MIS में ट्रेड करना चाहिए था, MIS में ऑर्डर पंच करना चाहिए था, and unfortunately I pressed it in NRML. So the second order start getting rejected, because of which उसी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे मार्केट ऊपर मुंह करना शुरू कर दिया, एंड आई सोल्ड द कॉल एट अ वेरी लो प्राइस, एंड लेटर आई हैड टू again come back and sell the put at again a low price. I started on a bad foot, so I lost almost like 15-20 points in that, but currently we are still cost to cost. I'm not gonna stay for long today because the risk reward is not in our favor. Alright guys, the time is 10:37, and what we saw in Bank Nifty is a steady up move, a constant up move. That too काफी दिनों के बाद इतना strength दिखाई दे रहा है Bank Nifty में, and because of which, of course, any non-directional strategy would take a hit, and our Bank Nifty account has taken a hit. So मैंने पहले 35,300 पे था. I booked some minor loss around 16-17 points loss book करके I had to shift to 35,400. Even there also the call side IV spiked up, and because of which again I had to book a loss in there, and now I'm sitting on a 35,500 straddle, which is doing okay. Like it has already given 10 points, but overall we are down by around 18-19 points. ठीक है. And on the Nifty account, I didn't do any other change. कुछ change करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी, and I sat through the slight put side IB expansion, but that kind of paid off. Now we are kind of premium wise we are in a delta neutral position, but of course, we are 16-17 points higher than where our delta gets neutralized. So I won't be doing anything till the day's high is breached. Day's high clearly breach होने तक मैं कुछ करूँगा नहीं. And if that happens, then most probably I'll shift half of the calls to 16,000. So 16,000 calls पे कितना premium है? I have to see like if it is even worth shifting to 15,000 call. And if I don't feel okay, 16,000 calls worth like just 9 rupees. So once this starts spiking up to let's say 18, 19, 20, so even the 16,000 calls should be somewhere around 10 rupees, 10, 11 rupees. So then I'll shift a part of my 5950 calls to 16,000 calls. I won't take any additional put side credit क्योंकि अगर कल जैसे अगर एक फॉल आ जाता है तो even one red candle like this can completely take me off guard. So मैं put side से ज़्यादा additional credit नहीं लूँगा. So I'll just mostly I'll shift just the call side to 16,000 and work from there. So all right guys, the time is 11 o'clock and we are up by 21k and the market looks like it's going to give the breakout towards the upside. So what I've done is to compensate for the bleeding puts, I've shorted some of the quantities at 15,800. So थोड़ा बहुत 15,800 puts पे भी मतलब मैं shift किया हूँ and I don't think 15,900 will be taken out today because 15,900 will be a very stiff resistance. So I'll try to hold on unless this call side IV spikes up to more than 20 rupees or something. In that case, like I'll have to shift all these 15,750 puts to 15,800. And on the Bank Nifty account, though we are at the money, the call side IV expansion is a bit too much. I think it's kind of a short covering because 2 days ago on Friday, everyone thought that 35,500 will definitely be not out of the cards, and markets crossing 35,500 is close to impossible, but markets have rallied almost 800-900 points in the last 2 trading sessions, because of which the people who are short 35,500 calls will be running for cover now. And Bank Nifty especially is looking very strong in particular, like it's not even giving like 20% retracement also, like just with 15% retracement it's heading higher. So there is a good amount of strength in Bank Nifty, and that's gonna, that's what made, that's what prompted me to shift some of the puts from 15,750 to 15,800 levels. Yes, if we even break out towards the upside, yes, these calls will spike, but I'm thinking that the call side spike will be slightly managed by the put side decay, because this put side, look at this, like we are exactly 70 points from both call as well as the put. I mean, we are exactly 75 points from both 800 and 950. The 800 puts are almost trading 60% premium to the calls. So if at all this call starts to spike up, I have a very good reason to guess that there will be a good amount of put side IV crush also. So that is why I'm still holding on to the position in spite of the fact that I've already returned 0.5% on a Tuesday. So I'm going to hold on to it, but at any point of time, if I touch like 15k mark to market, so I'll cut out. So that will be the plan. So 15k से नीचे हम hold नहीं करेंगे, we'll cut out. And if at all like we find a good entry point again later if at all we find a good entry point later in the afternoon, maybe we might think of re-entering the position. Alright guys, the time is 4 o'clock. बीच में कुछ अपडेट दे नहीं पाया. I had to square up my calendar position. ठीक है, कैलेंडर सारा कैलेंडर पोजीशन को एडजस्टमेंट के साथ I somehow closed it cost to cost, and now I have a covered call position with some additional put side credit मैंने लिया when the market started heading higher. So now we have a covered call plus some sort of a straddle, like overnight straddle मान सकते हैं at 35,500. So overall today we booked somewhere around 24k here, and on the Bank Nifty account we took almost 4 straddles starting from 35,300 to 400 to 500 to 700, and finally we booked a loss of minus 3.7k. So around 24k here and 3.7k here, somewhere around 20k, 20.5k for the day. And to talk about the markets, it was just a low roller coaster ride. So it was a proper roller coaster ride. स्टार्टिंग में इतना ज़्यादा कॉल साइड आईवी स्पाइक हुआ था, एंड उसके बाद पुट साइड आईवी स्पाइक होना शुरू हो गया, एंड प्रेटी मच ऑलमोस्ट वी हैड लाइक 0 to मिनिमम डीके थ्रू आउट द होल डे. ऑलमोस्ट जीरो डीके मान लो. इफ एट ऑल जो डीके मिला वो स्टार्टिंग इस पॉइंट पे मिला. तो इन दिस पार्ट व्हेन द मार्केट वाज काइंड ऑफ कंसोलिडेटिंग, दैट्स व्हेन सम अमाउंट ऑफ डीके हैपेंड. वंस द मार्केट ब्रोक दिस, from here to here it was call side IV spike, and here the IV cooled off again, the call side IV again picked up, and from here to here the put side IV spiked. So kind of a roller coaster ride, and I exited at this point. इसी point पे मैंने exit कर लिया, and I decided not to play because the premiums were not attractive to play anymore, and I was just managing my calendar spreads. And at some point the calendar spread was giving me around 6-7k loss, but somehow I recovered every bit of it, and I closed in green, like slight mild green, cost to cost ही बोल सकते हैं because slippages and charges के बाद cost to cost ही आएगा. So that's my trading day guys, 20.5k for the day, and we did bad in Bank Nifty because Bank Nifty में इतना जाना नहीं चाहिए था. We should have been cost to cost, but एक point पे मैंने जो explain किया वहाँ पे slippage की वजह से this 35,500 straddle gave a good amount of around 2.5-3k loss. वहीं से मतलब थोड़ा बहुत loss हो गया, वरना overall a decent day for me. Like I wouldn't say bad, I wouldn't say good, but considering the fact that the markets was all over the place, Bank Nifty was all over the place, so it was okay. I hope you didn't get caught in this call side IV spike here and then again put side IV spike here. I hope that you managed to get out in time. I did. I managed to get out in time, and because of which I still somehow managed to make some decent amount. All right. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, Wednesday. So Wednesday we'll have theta decay in favor of us. So risk reward भी हमारा favor में रहेगा. So we'll try to stay as long as possible tomorrow, considering the fact that we have formed a range. अभी एक range form हो गया है. So we can sell something above that and below that, and we'll try to play. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.